Hi, help me and subscribe to the channel, thank you. Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal's enchanting capital. This sun-kissed city, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture, has so much to offer that it can be challenging to decide where to start. Don't worry, we've got you covered. We've carefully curated the perfect 3-day itinerary to help you make the most of your Lisbon adventure. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be swept off your feet by the magic of Lisbon. Day 1, dive into history and culture. Start your morning at the iconic Praça do Comércio, a grand square that has been the heart of Lisbon for centuries. Admire the stunning Arco da Rua Augusta and take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront. Walk up to the magnificent Lisbon Cathedral, Sé de Lisboa, a stunning blend of Romanesque and Gothic architecture that dates back to the 12th century. Discover the picturesque Alfama district, a maze of narrow streets and alleys, where you'll find traditional Portuguese fado music, local eateries, and souvenir shops. Visit the National Tile Museum, Museu Nacional do Azulejo, showcasing the beauty of Portugal's iconic azulejos, painted ceramic tiles, and their history. End your day at the Time Out Market, where you can sample a variety of Portuguese dishes, wines, and desserts from the city's top chefs and vendors. Day 2, explore Lisbon's architectural marvels. Begin your day with a visit to the Belém district, home to the Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of Manueline architecture. Just a short walk away, you'll find the iconic Belém Tower, another UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Portugal's Age of Discoveries. Next, visit the Pedreiro dos Descobrimentos, a striking monument celebrating Portugal's explorers and their discoveries. Enjoy a well-deserved treat at the famous Pastéis de Belém bakery, where you can taste the delicious and iconic pastel de nata, Portuguese custard tart. End your day at LX Factory, a creative hub filled with unique shops, restaurants, galleries, and street art that showcases Lisbon's vibrant contemporary culture. Day 3, embrace Lisbon's natural beauty. Start your day with a visit to the Oceanário de Lisboa, one of the world's largest and most impressive aquariums, where you can explore marine life from different ocean habitats. Hop on the historic Tram 28, which winds through Lisbon's most charming neighborhoods, offering stunning views of the city. Head to the verdant Jardim da Estrela, a beautiful park perfect for a leisurely walk, a picnic, or simply relaxing under the shade of a tree. Take a funicular ride up to the Bairro Alto district, where you can enjoy panoramic views of Lisbon from the Miradouro de São Pedro da Alcântara. End your journey at the Cristo Rei, a towering statue of Christ overlooking Lisbon and the Tagus River, offering one last breathtaking view of the city. Conclusion. With its rich history, diverse architecture, and vibrant culture, Lisbon offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. This 3-day itinerary is designed to help you make the most of your time in this captivating city. So, pack your bags, and get ready to create unforgettable memories in Lisbon.